All right, I'm here in Adobe Photoshop and I'm going to quickly explain to you what RGB is and CMYK. I'm going to change this one to that in a second to show you how to do that too. So quickly, RGB is red, green, blue. You can see it here, red, green, blue. And um, CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow. The K stands for black. And so I'm going to quickly switch this, show you if that's what you're here for, to see how to do it. It's very simple. Go to image mode in CMYK, and this is very specific to just printers only, so it's okay if you're, if you're going to print it. You don't have much of a choice anyway. So, um, yeah, so now this is CMYK. The image colors are really still very similar. It used to be very dramatic, where you change it and CMYK just lost a lot of brightness, and you'd sometimes have to re-edit them. So you don't have to do that anymore, at least not nearly as much. There's some neons and stuff that won't print CMYK, but other than that, they're almost on par. Um, yeah, CMYK is for printing. So the printer prints CMYK just like your ink cartridges or whatever, or an offset printer. They print cyan, magenta, yellow, and then black, 4 layers. And this is for visual. Just this is all of a combination of just red, green, and blue. So that's CMYK and RGB explained. And of course, you can go from CMYK back to RGB. No worries. But hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and leave me a comment. Thanks.